Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create group chat polls on Instagram. Alright guys, first of all, open your Instagram application on your phone, and after that, you can go to the Instagram direct message right here. Then just open your group chat on the Instagram direct message, and then this is my group chat and I'm going to tap on it. And then if you want to create a poll, you can click on the sticker button, then you can click on this button again. And then since we want to create a poll, we can click on the poll option right here. Then you can add the poll question, and for example, I'm going to add this one. And then just tap just create the option right here. Okay, like this. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click on create poll right here. Then the Instagram poll will be created. Okay, and this is the Instagram poll. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a group chat polls on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.